Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and I'm back to share another card with you today. This card uses a digital stamp, so I don't have that product to show you. Everything that I used that is still available, I have linked in the description box down below. I did use this Newton's Antics stamp set for this sentiment, You're the Cat's Meow. I did use some older Stamping Up glitter dots. I don't remember which ones I used, but they were very pretty. I used some Gina Marie Designs wonky stitched rectangles. And then I used this really pretty, really old paper from Crate Paper. One of my online crafty friends who is no longer crafty was cleaning out her area, and she sold me, I don't even know, probably 20 6x6 paper pads for a very reasonable price. A lot of them are basic gray, which I love, which is no longer in business, and just some old ones that were pretty that I didn't have. Some I did have, but some I didn't have, so I was excited. So this paper, On Trend, I think is what it was. And I thought I saw, 2012. It's just so pretty in colors I don't normally use, so I used that. And so here is the card that I created. This is a Sweet November stamps, digital stamp. This is Keisha and Theo. I am starting to venture out and try patterns on animals and stuff. I absolutely love how my kitty cat turned out. I think I did a really good job coloring that. And even her, I did her a little bit darker skin tone, and the hair, curly hair is so fun. There's that, You're the Cat's Meow, that paper, those dies, those glitter dots. And then I just did that on the inside. But I thought she turned out, well, that this turned out so cute. Like I said, I just really am proud of the cat, so I can keep learning and keep trying different patterns and whatnot. So there is my card for today. Again, everything is linked in the description box below as to what I used that is still available. And I hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon. Go do something for yourself and go do something crafty. Bye.